बाद आज एक साथ हमने मुलाकात की नीति, मुक्ति और शक्ति से। वैसे हम आपको बता दें कि ये 4 बहनें हैं, जिसमें से एक यहाँ उपस्थित नहीं है आज, और ये चारों बहनें टैलेंट से भरपूर हैं। शक्ति के कैलेंडर में भी इन 4 बहनों का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है।
सो एज यू कैन सी, हम तीनों ने नृत्य शक्ति स्टैंड आउट की टी शर्ट्स पहनी हुई हैं, एंड हमारे पीछे शक्ति का लेटेस्ट कैलेंडर जो है नृत्य शक्ति स्टैंड आउट 2014 का, इट्स राइट बिहाइंड अस। और आज हम तीनों वी रियली टेक प्राइड एंड वी वांट टू प्रमोट दिस कैलेंडर, एंड very happy to be on India Forums as always, or just want to wish everybody a very happy new year, and want to say that January you can really kick anybody like this, and anytime you are on a station, feel free to be like this, or jump out with your lunchbox like that, you know. And जब भी जुहू बीच आप जाएंगे, जुहू बीच जब भी जाएंगे, totally buy all the कैंडी वहाँ से जो होता है फ्लॉस, और उसको स्कर्ट बना के लगा सकते हैं. तो वी हैव पानीपुरी का भी बना सकते हैं. पानीपुरी का भी बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम वील डू अ पानीपुरी कैलेंडर. सो lot of hard work has gone into it, and I think creatively I would like Mukti to speak about it, because she has put her brains behind this calendar, the costumes, the ideas, the colors, everything. And I think I'm her elder sister, but I have to say that she's done a fab job. Although हर बार इतनी तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए, but I think I'm very happy the way she's done this. So
okay, I don't want to take the entire credit of the creative thing. Really? Of course, this is always a collective decision to do something. Like this time, we really wanted to do, something which is ordinary yet extraordinary. So a normal human being also wants to stand out. So just the spirit of that you can see in like every month. So I have also written few quotations. Yeah, so which those are amazing. So which inspires people to dance, or to just feel free. Like we've not just danced just to paint, sketch, do whatever in your feel, but just feel free. So, but here, this through her body, she has done a fab job. Like even it was so difficult. There were so many pictures. That whole process of selecting one picture, of finding out that right, because all the poses were brilliant. So I don't know, what do you have to talk about your brilliance-ness? How can you just feel free in a public place to shoot like this? There is something else. You're behind the camera, you can yell, you can say anything. Yeah, people are staring at you like that, and you're jumping off the train, you're jumping next to a train where people are like busy, they are walking, they have to walk, they have to cross, they have to carry things. Yeah. Not caring about that and just focusing on your pose. How did you do that?
Well, I drank a lot of water. ठंडा पानी. नहीं, एक्चुअली हर लोकेशन पे जाने से बहुत डर लग रहा था. ऐसा लग रहा था कि आज होगा या नहीं होगा. इतने सारे लोग आ तो गए हैं शूटिंग पे, पर हो पाएगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि हम विदाउट परमिशन हर जगह धक्के खा रहे थे. तो हम जब यहाँ इस लोकेशन पे पहुँचे तो ये सारी आंटियों को देख के हम डर गए थे कि ये लोग हमें मराठी में बोल के भगा देंगी. पर they were very sweet. They were amazed to look at my outfit. They were like, इसने प्रॉपर सब कुछ नहीं पहना है. But yeah, they were very cooperative according to the shot. हमने अगर किसी को बोला भी कि आंटी यहाँ 2 मिनट के लिए खड़े हो जाओ, तो they stood and we got our shot. तो we were very happy. ट्रेन में बहुत difficult था, क्योंकि constantly trains are moving. You can't really do much over there. तो बहुत scary था. We were running around from one platform to the other कि यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर ट्रेन आ रही है. Yeah, one guy came and almost was getting very violent. और हमें ये शॉट लेने के लिए to get this train to cross, क्योंकि ये जो नेशनल लेवल वाली ट्रेन होती है वो क्रॉस करने में टाइम लगता है. वी डोंट नो व्हाट टाइम इट्स कमिंग. तो उसके लिए हम लोग ने बहुत वेट किया. वी वर वेरी पेशेंट. सो ऑल दीज लोकेशंस हैव मेनी स्टोरीज.
क्योंकि हम बहुत ज़्यादा वेट कर रहे थे, तो इतनी धूप थी और प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत रफ़ होता है. आपने देखा होगा कितने गड्ढे होते हैं, कितने स्टोन्स होते हैं, और इतनी धूप में टू अगेन एंड अगेन गो एंड टेक दैट एनर्जी फ्रॉम दैट damp or whatever hot ground, weird surface, and to jump up like this,
Yeah.
Only a power of dance. Shakti Mohan can do it. Seriously, I was like, oh god, let's just cancel it. Let's not do it. But she just went ahead. Every time a train crossed, she went mad. She kept jumping. So it was crazy.
My feet are here. Here we shot. Although the situation was pretty much in control, इतना public कोई नहीं था इधर, पर बार बार ये करना यहाँ पर मेरे पैर से I started bleeding. It was very very painful. After a point I just said I can't do anymore. But we got hardly we got 2-3 shots which were perfect. So thankfully we got it. Otherwise ये shot होता ही नहीं. This uncle was just passing by और हमने बोला uncle please can you stand here for a minute. And he stood and he was very happy. After we finished the shoot, he was standing and he's like, I love you. I said, yes, uncle ji, I also love you. और बाकी मुक्ति के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. ये सारी कॉटन कैंडी मुक्ति खा रही थी शूट के टाइम पे. And Kriti also. They all were like, अरे शूट तो करने दो. They were eating. Yes. हाँ, my elder sister Kriti जो है, who is very very creative and who has put like lot of hard work, like days and nights non-stop. She has made things like जो हमने यहाँ पे hair accessory use करी है, ये इसका उन्होंने रात भर बैठ के she was making an alternative और बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो बनाती रहती हैं with her own hands. And I want to say ये जो bags हैं, everything from printing to paper to designing, she has gone to every place in Bombay to find the best paper, best everything. And I'm feeling sad that she's not here, but she has put in so much work. Thank you. We want to say to all our fans, to all the Mohanistics fans, thank you so much. आप लोग हमें इतना प्यार करते हो, and we get the energy from you guys to work even more and give more such things in future. Because of my sisters, I'm able to do this. Otherwise, I would be zero without them. And please keep loving your family and your sisters and your brothers, क्योंकि they will be there with you forever.
Love you guys. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
भाई इन चारों को देखकर तो हम यही कहेंगे कि इनके बीच का प्यार हमेशा ऐसे ही बना रहे और ये हर साल इसी तरह कैलेंडर लॉन्च करते रहें। आप सबको बहुत बधाइयाँ। कैमरामैन मंगेश के साथ रुचिका सिंह, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई।